Hi folks, Angela from Vernon Volkswagen here. Today I'm showing you really nice clean 2016 Special Edition Tiguan. This is the 4Motion. So Volkswagen's awesome all-wheel drive system. Nice big back area. Some nice alloy wheels there. Upgraded cloth interior. This has got the Kessie system, so keyless entry, all your power groups, auto headlights, 53,603 for kilometers, backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated seats, push button start. It's got a self-dimming rear view mirror and many more features. For more information on this car or more, please email me at angela@vernonvw.com or call or text me at 250-308-0633. Thank you.